Here's how to initialize and format a newly installed secondary drive in Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows icon, typically found at the bottom of your screen, and select on Disk Management. On the bottom half of the Disk Management window, locate what will be shown as an unknown disk or unallocated space. Right-click the unknown disk or unallocated space, and if necessary, click Initialize Disk. In our example, we don't have this listed, but you may see it on your PC. Once that is done, or you don't need to initialize the disk, go ahead and right-click the unallocated space and select the New Simple Volume option. Click the Next button on the New Simple Volume Wizard pop-up window. You'll be asked to specify volume size. The default value is the maximum size and will format the entire disk as one partition. If you want to create multiple smaller partitions, change the simple volume size in the megabyte value. Then click Next. Use the Assign the following drive letter drop-down menu to select a letter for the new hard drive. You may choose any available letter, or leave the default letter assigned by Windows and click Next. Select NTFS under the File System drop-down menu. Select the default option under the Allocation Unit Size drop-down menu. In the Volume Label field, type a descriptive name for the drive, or you may leave it as the default option for the drive. Check the Perform a Quick Format option if not already checked. Unless necessary, do not check the Enable File and Folder Compression option. Click the Next button, and you'll see a review of all the settings just selected, and then click on Finish to complete the process. In just a second or two, your hard drive is now ready to use. You can view it in File Explorer and in Disk Management now. And that's all there is to it. You can repeat this process if necessary to set up any other drives you have added to your PC. And make sure to subscribe for other helpful tips and products from the best computer store in the world.